Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome our December new products video. Our first new product is this soft top window bag. This is from Rampage Industries. It's brand new. What's nice about this, all the soft tops we sell now basically have zip out windows. Best top, Rampage, for the early Bronco, for the later Bronco. What do you do with them? You zip them out, you lay them somewhere, they get scratched. Well, here's the solution. This nice bag comes with a zipper, has handles. Unzip it, open it up. It's got all these nice felt compartments in here. Take your windows out of your top, nice and clean. Stick them in here. There's multiple sections. You can put all the windows in there. The rear one, the two sides. Zip it back shut, and away you go. Safe, simple storage from Rampage Industries. And our next new product are these C4 pans. If you own an early Bronco or early Ford pickup, it has a C4 transmission in it, and you have a problem with the pan leaking, here's your solution. These nice pans, heavy duty stamped steel construction, have the ribs in it for added protection, have the drain plug with a gasket, come in chrome and black. What's nice about these, if you have an early Bronco, they're hard to find. We have the pan fill ones where the dipstick screws into the pan, and for the Ford trucks, where the dipstick goes into the trans case, we also have those. We have them chrome and black available here at the Bronco Graveyard. And our next new product is from Scott Drake Industries are these beautiful 351 emblems. Die-cast metal, chromed, with a nice black inlay with silver letters. Come with 3M tape on the back so you can stick them anywhere. These really look good on the side of your hood scoop, fender, or on the dash. Brand new from Scott Drake Industries. Our next new product is for the 435 transmissions. Those were standard in the early Ford pickups, and they carried that through to the 78-9 up in the early 80s Ford Bronco and pickup, that a lot of people have swapped the 435s into the early Bronco. Well, you get one, you get it from the junkyard, it's missing the handle, so you get that part, but it's still missing parts. Well, we got the great insulation kit for you. This spring goes on the handle, you stick it down into the transmission, gives you this lock washer, goes over the top of that, then it gives you the locking ring. Push it down, turn it, locks the handle into the transmission tower, and you're ready to go, and you finish the job. It gives you this heavy duty boot. Slide that over the top of the handle, down over the transmission tower, locks all the dirt and water out, and you're ready to go. And our December web truck of the month is Brandon Smith's second generation big block Bronco. I just want to remind everybody here at the Bronco Graveyard, we're running our annual Christmas sale. Runs till December 19th. If you order online, you get 10% off. I just want to thank everybody for another great year, and I want to wish everybody and their families a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I've had it for probably 3 years now. I bought it from a guy here in Michigan, and it came originally out of Arizona. It's all original steel on it. I know it's been painted, but as far as bodywork, I don't think it's had any done. It's all sheet metal, solid floors, everything's original to it. It's got a 520 big block in it. It's a stroker. Yep, it's all custom suspension, you know, all super flex stuff.
Okay.
Built specifically for the sand dunes mostly. We cruise it around town occasionally, but it's mostly for the sand dunes.
What have you done as far as any of the upgrades? Did you?
Oh, how much time do you have? I mean, the axles are fully upgraded. It's got all chrome moly shafts. It's got 456 gears in it, lockers front and rear. I just put a truss motor housing in the back of it because I destroyed the old one.
Okay. So you learned and you upgraded.
Yep. Oh yeah. Yep.
All right.
Yep. It's got custom drive shafts in it. They're all built for the big horsepower.
So have you reached your limit? Are you done upgrading it, or are you?
Oh, you're never done upgrading them. As of now, I don't really have any plans. Maybe down the road it might get a new paint job. Nothing. I mean, mechanical. Hopefully it'll be fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't have any plans in the works right now for anything else. Just something to throw the kids in the back of and go play around. They love it.